Video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok story missing feature. Alright, so let's say you want to upload a story on your TikTok and you just don't know or you don't find that story feature in TikTok. Well, in today's video I'm going to be showing you two ways through which you guys can add story on TikTok, and for those people who's missing the feature, I'm also going to be showing you how you guys go to search for TikTok. Why you want to search for TikTok is to check for update. If it says update over here, make sure to update your TikTok, but mine says open, which means my TikTok is up to date. So story feature is on the latest version of TikTok, that's why I'm asking you to update it. So if your TikTok is not up to date, make sure to update it. Now after updating your TikTok, you open your TikTok. Now once you're over here, you can click on versus profile at the bottom of your screen. Once you click on it, over here at the top you can see your profile picture. So mine says 0 or O, alright, and right beside my profile picture you can see a blue plus sign. You can click on it in order to add story. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to a story template. Now you can record a story and post a story, and it will be posted on a TikTok story. That's one way to post your TikTok. Alright, so let's say you don't see the plus sign over here. The other thing is at the bottom you can see a plus sign at the bottom of your screen over here. Alright, click on the plus sign and you can see it's going to be on camera at the beginning, but make sure to swipe to the right side and make sure it's on story. Once it's on story, whichever video you record or whichever video you choose from a gallery to upload it, it's going to be uploaded on a story. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can find a TikTok's missing story feature. But let's say even after updating your app and you open your app, you don't find the story feature, what you can do is just close your app, delete your TikTok app and reinstall it again. Once you delete your TikTok app and reinstall it again, all the settings will be resetted and the TikTok will be new, and on the latest up-to-date version of TikTok will be downloaded once you reinstall, and you should have the story feature. Alright, and if you don't, you can just report the problem. You can go on TikTok and on your profile click on the three line at the top, go on versus setting and privacy, and over here scroll a bit down and you can see report a problem. Click on it. Once you're over here at the top right of the screen, you can see a little pencil and a paper looking icon at the top. Click on it, and over here where it says feedback at the top, you can see the pencil and a paper icon. Click on it again, and over here you want to write this. I don't have the story feature, can you help me get it? And at the bottom click on report. The problem will be sent to TikTok staff. They'll view it and they'll help you fix your problem. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can fix your TikTok.